Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation bar with 3 buttons into the gestures. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on the home screen. As you can see here, we've got the option System Navigation, so let's tap on it, and we've got 2 different options. Right now we've got buttons applied, so obviously we've got 3 buttons which we can use. So this is a back button, home button, and recents. And in order to change to the gestures, just tap on it. And here you can learn the gestures, so your device will open the tutorial in order to show you how to use them. And I will show you it on my own. So as you can see, we just activated the gestures, and here under it we've got also some options, so we can hide full screen indicator, so we can hide this option. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. What's more, here we've got the gesture confirmation, so here sometimes you will have to repeat the gestures if you'd like to get back. So for example, if you will open the app and or a game, if you'd like to get back, then you will have to repeat the gesture. So okay, let me focus, let me show you how to use it. Here we've got obviously the animation, so you can learn. What's more, under it we've got gesture demos, so of course you can learn on your own, but let me show you the basics. So first of all, in order to get back somewhere, all you have to do is swipe your finger from the left or right corner to the middle, just like that. And the same situation from the right corner, right side, sorry. Okay, so we just got back. Right now let's check how to go back to the home page. So just swipe your finger up very gently from the bottom, and we are on the home page. And here we can open the recents. All you have to do is swipe your finger up, but gently, and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the recents. So actually that's all. This is how to change navigation bar into the gestures in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.